Hi, everyone. Welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into a super simple yet incredibly important word, and. And is a basic conjunction that we use to connect words or phrases. It's one of the first words you learn in English and a tool you'll use every day. For example, you might say, I like apples and oranges, or she is kind and funny. See how it links ideas together so smoothly? That's the magic of and. You could use synonyms like as well as or along with. For example, I'll have tea as well as coffee, or the teacher spoke to Sarah along with her parents. While they're similar and is more casual and works in almost every situation, antonyms are a bit trickier because and doesn't have a direct opposite. But if we think of contrasting conjunctions, words like but or can create opposing or alternative ideas. For example, I like apples but I don't like bananas. Or, do you want tea or coffee? These contrast with and, which combines rather than separates. In everyday life, you'll hear and in almost every conversation. It connects not just words but people and ideas. For instance, let's go to the park and have a picnic, or the movie was funny and exciting. Whether you're making a list, adding an idea, or showing agreement, and is your go-to word. Let's try some sentences. John and Mary are best friends. I need to buy bread, milk, and eggs. The dog barked and wagged its tail.
Simple, right?
Now it's your turn. Think about how you'd use and in your own sentences. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Remember, and maybe a small word, but it's a big deal in English. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And here's your challenge. Create your own sentence using and share it in the comments. I can't wait to read what you come up with. See you next time on Hello Word.